The case begins quietly, another probation violation hearing, but beneath the calm, there's frustration in the air. The judge asks the defendant, a 25-year-old woman, if anyone coerced her into pleading guilty. No, she says softly. Her attorney confirms the violations, missed probation meetings, a new charge, and failure to comply. The prosecutor recommends 60 days in jail. Her lawyer pleads for leniency, asking that the time be counted from when she was first detained and that she be allowed to enter a treatment program instead of sitting behind bars.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No. No.
All right, counsel, you can please party your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that'll be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea.
The judge turns to her directly. You requested treatment? He asks. She nods nervously. Yes, but I don't think I personally need it. The judge's eyebrows raise. Then why did you ask for it? The young woman hesitates, her voice trembling. I was trying to avoid jail. The truth lands heavy. The courtroom falls silent. The judge's tone sharpens. So, you don't think you need help. You just don't want consequences? Her eyes lower. I just want to go home, she whispers.
And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days, I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if it.
The judge leans forward. You're 25 years old, he says. And you already have 3 drug convictions. His voice is steady but firm. You had a chance to keep your record clean, and you threw it away. She tries to explain. This time will be different, she promises. She talks about wanting a job, a car, maybe to make music again. She talks about drinking water, finding calm. It sounds almost childlike, like someone clinging to simple habits to prove she's changed. The judge listens but remains unconvinced.
I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Get out of jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drugs.
I've been to treatment 7 times, she says. I know the program. I know what to do. The judge cuts in. You know it, but you don't live it, he says. You're going through the motions. Her words stumble. This time feels different, she insists. Jail changed me. The courtroom grows quiet again. It's hard to tell if this is a revelation or just another plea from someone who said it before.
Drug-related convictions. 3, your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again.
The attorneys are ready to move on. We're prepared for sentencing, probation says. The judge doesn't hesitate. The court adopts the recommendation, he announces. Probation revoked. 60 days jail. His tone is final, businesslike. One by one, he reads off her case numbers, her violations, and the time she'll serve. No probation. No treatment. Just time. It's the sound of a door closing on second chances.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It feels different. It feels really different.
The young woman's voice breaks. How many days total? She asks. The judge calculates. 138. Her eyes widen. Is there any way I can do treatment instead? She pleads. The judge shakes his head. You told this court you don't need treatment. You said you only asked to avoid jail. Her voice cracks again. I can't do 130 days, she says quietly. But the decision is made. The law is not swayed by regret spoken too late.
I'm willing to go any probation that you
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Okay.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's
desperate now. She pleads again. I need help with housing when I get out, she says, her words tumbling over one another. The judge pauses, not unsympathetic, but resolute. You had help, he says. Probation was help. Treatment was help. You walked away from all of it. Background voices chatter, filling the courtroom with noise. The judge raises his voice, frustrated. Please stop talking in the background, he orders sharply. The authority in his tone restores order instantly.
consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on that, on this matter.
What?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93, plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
Her lawyer steps in, gently suggesting she might be asking for mental health treatment. But the judge has already made up his mind. She's been to treatment 7 times, he says. She's made her position clear. Her attorney nods reluctantly. The court clerk marks the record. The young woman lowers her head, realizing that no more words will save her. The sentence stands 138 days in jail.
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
No, that's
So
not.
you can do the jail time.
Ma'am, I'll do treatment.
Quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I asked the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. You know, I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I.
The judge delivers his final statement. His tone is calm but unyielding. You're not getting treatment because you said you didn't need it, he reminds her. You've abandoned probation before, and I'm not convinced you wouldn't abandon treatment again. The sound of the gavel echoes. Case closed. The defendant looks up, eyes glistening with defeat. She whispers one last word. Ma'am? But it's too late. The judge stands. We're all done. Off the record.